I'm Paresh Patel. I manage technology for Napier Park, hedge fund based in New York. So about 6 months ago, Napier decided to move offices within the city. And Napier has a large technology footprint, 150 plus users, 200 plus computers, turrets, VLANs, complex networks, and connectivity to external parties for market data. And to manage the move itself, we engaged Options IT to assist us with the engineering, the planning, the execution, and obviously support after the move. And I must say, now that the move is complete, Options IT did an amazing job in every aspect. Their engineers were engaged with us in the planning. On the day of the move, they had about 20 plus technologists on staff. Right here at our offices, assisting with the move, and after the move, they were here on site to assist the users with every little thing that came up. So overall, kudos. They did an awesome job. Management at Napier is extremely pleased with the way the technology move happened, and an amazing job by Options. Thank you very much to the Options team.